Good morning, third graders. For science this week, the first thing you need to do is watch the video. If you have not watched the video yet, stop now, get out of the form, and go do that. You won't be able to answer these questions without watching that video. So, this week's video was on plant and animal life cycles. So, when you get into this form after you've watched the video, you're going to type your name and choose your teacher. The first question you are going to answer says, why are life cycle diagrams shown in the shape of a circle? Is it because they're easier to read and follow? Because life cycles have a beginning and an end and do not repeat? Is it because the patterns repeat over and over, sometimes for millions of years? So think about a diagram. A diagram is a text feature that helps us understand what we are reading or what we are reading about. Why is it in the shape of a circle? Second question is, what is a metamorphosis? Is a metamorphosis when a living thing changes very little in its lifetime, or when a living thing changes dramatically in its lifetime, like a caterpillar? The third question says, in what order does a caterpillar change dramatically in its life? What happens first, second, third, and fourth? So, the stages of a caterpillar's life are chrysalis, egg, caterpillar, and butterfly. Now, those are not in the correct order. So I need you to tell me what happens first, what happens second, third, and fourth. So, chrysalis, what stage of that is the caterpillar's life cycle? Does the chrysalis happen first, second, third, or fourth? When is it an egg? When is it a caterpillar? When is it a butterfly? So you will check a box for each of those. And please remember, I'm just showing you how to check the box. Those are not the correct answers. Okay. The next one says, what are the stages of a dog's life cycle? Do dogs go through the stages of puppy, adult, and senior, adolescent, and senior, or puppy, adolescent, then adult, then a senior? Your next question says, how does a plant grow from a seed to a flower? You are actually going to type that out. So just type your explanation of how a plant grows from a seed to a flower. And your last question says, what steps are part of the life cycles of all living things? So plants and animals. Do all living things have birth, growth, reproduction, and then death? Do they have birth, school, growth, and death? Or birth, sleeping, reproduction, and growth? After you have selected all of your answers for this, please submit your answers and have a wonderful day.